Have you ever woken up in the morning, swung your legs over the side of the bed, and felt that deep ache in your knees or hips? That stiffness that makes you move slower, the pain that almost feels like grinding in your joints? If you're living with arthritis or joint pain, you are far from alone. In fact, according to the CDC, more than 32 million adults in the United States are living with osteoarthritis, and almost half of adults over 65 report doctor-diagnosed arthritis. That means millions of seniors across America and Canada are fighting the same daily battle: stiff joints, reduced mobility, and the frustration of not being able to do what you love. But here's something that can give you hope: collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, and it's the glue that holds your joints, cartilage, tendons, and bones together. After the age of 40, your natural collagen production begins to decline rapidly. By the time you hit 60, your collagen levels may have dropped by as much as 50%. This loss makes your cartilage thinner, your joints weaker, and the pain of arthritis more likely. The good news? By eating the right collagen-rich foods, you can nourish your joints, rebuild cartilage, and actually reduce arthritis pain. Today, we're going to go through 5 powerful natural collagen sources, explain their scientific connection to joint health, show you how to prepare them in simple ways, and talk about how to fit them into your daily routine. Before we dive in, I want to quickly remind you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our senior health videos. Staying informed is the first step to staying mobile and independent. Let's begin with gelatin. Gelatin may sound simple, but it's basically collagen in a usable form. It comes from animal bones and connective tissue that have been broken down, leaving a protein-rich powder. Studies show that gelatin can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, especially in people with osteoarthritis. In one clinical study, athletes who consumed gelatin before exercise experienced improved collagen production in their tendons and ligaments. For seniors, this means less stiffness and greater mobility. The easiest way to use it is by adding a spoonful of unflavored gelatin powder to your tea, coffee, or even a smoothie. You can also make simple homemade desserts with it. The best time to take gelatin is earlier in the day, especially before gentle exercise or a walk, because it works best when paired with movement to stimulate collagen uptake in your joints. Now, let's talk about chicken skin, broth, and cartilage. Most people throw these away, but these are treasure chests of collagen. Chicken cartilage is rich in type 2 collagen, which specifically supports joint cartilage. Research published in the journal Clinical Interventions in Aging showed that supplementation with collagen from chicken cartilage improved joint comfort and mobility in people with knee osteoarthritis. You don't need to take a supplement when you can make a simple broth at home. Put chicken bones, skin, and cartilage into a slow cooker, cover with water, add a little vinegar, and let it simmer for 8 to 12 hours. The vinegar helps draw the collagen out. After straining, you'll have a golden broth that you can sip on daily or use as a base for soups. Just 1 cup a day can make a real difference in your joints. Many seniors find that drinking it in the evening helps calm inflammation and makes it easier to sleep without pain. Next, we have liver. Now, liver isn't rich in collagen itself, but it provides the building blocks your body needs to make its own. It's loaded with vitamin A, copper, and iron, which are critical for collagen synthesis. Seniors who eat liver once a week can support their body's ability to rebuild and maintain joint cartilage. A deficiency in these nutrients often leads to slower healing and more inflammation. In the US and Canada, you can easily find chicken or beef liver at stores like Walmart, Kroger, or Whole Foods. If you don't enjoy the taste, try blending a small amount into stews or sauces where you won't notice it. A good option is to eat it at lunchtime, because that's when your digestion is strongest, and it ensures the nutrients are available as your body repairs joint tissue throughout the day. Beef tendons are another powerful but often overlooked source of collagen. They are made almost entirely of connective tissue, which means they deliver concentrated collagen to your body. In traditional old diets, beef tendons are slow cooked until tender and used in stews or soups. Scientific research has shown that collagen peptides from tendons can help cartilage regenerate and reduce arthritis-related pain. For seniors, this means improved mobility and a better chance of maintaining independence. You can prepare them by simmering tendons in water with onions and herbs for several hours until soft. This creates a nutrient-rich stew. Eating tendon once or twice a month is enough to provide a collagen boost. Since tendons are pure collagen, it's best to have them in the afternoon or evening, when your body is winding down and can use the protein for repair. Finally, bone broth and bone marrow. Bone broth has become a trend in North America, but it's not just hype. When you simmer bones for hours, you release collagen, calcium, magnesium, and amino acids that support both bones and joints. Bone marrow, the soft tissue inside the bones, is especially rich in healthy fats and collagen precursors. Studies suggest that regular bone broth intake can help reduce inflammation and improve overall joint comfort. For seniors, this means fewer nights waking up with aching hips or knees. To make bone broth, simply take beef or lamb bones, place them in a pot with water and vinegar, and let them cook for 12 to 24 hours. Strain it and sip it daily, or freeze portions for later use. Having 1 cup a day is perfect, and many seniors report that drinking it in the evening helps soothe pain before bed. Let's step back for a moment. Arthritis isn't just uncomfortable. It's one of the leading causes of disability among seniors in the U.S. Over 54 million American adults live with arthritis, and nearly half of them are over 65. In Canada, about 6 million adults are affected. That's millions of people whose independence is threatened by joint pain. But by adding collagen-rich foods like gelatin, chicken broth, liver, beef tendons, and bone marrow into your diet, you can slow down the damage, nourish your joints, and reclaim mobility. Imagine being able to walk farther without pain, climb stairs with less stiffness, or simply enjoy your daily activities with more freedom. Collagen makes this possible. So let me ask you, are you ready to try adding collagen to your daily meals? Which of these 5 foods feels easiest for you to start with? Leave me a comment below, because I'd love to know your thoughts. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend or loved one who might be struggling with arthritis pain. Every share helps more seniors discover natural ways to protect their joints and live with less pain. Thank you for spending this time with me. Remember, pain doesn't have to define your golden years. With the right nutrition and a little consistency, you can nourish your joints, support your bones, and enjoy more active, mobile, and pain-free days ahead.